Do you see my Notion spot?
Yes, I can see your Notion rental hub.
Perfect. So this is how it is set up. I have it set up by rentals, customers, items, and equipment. So, and then I have the buttons of a new rental, new customer, new equipment. The use case here is predominantly, I'll pull up a rental where they are putting in just like a rental name, then the rental out date, rental return date, and then the actual. So this is like a 1-day rental. Let me grab one with a customer. So here, this is a good one. So here, Mountain West, July 29th, August 5th. The customer is Mike Thorsten, and then he is renting this piece of equipment down here. Here, you can kind of just see, I mean, the people using this are not like CRM experts. I mean, they are using this predominantly from the app. So it's kind of designed where they are using the app rather than the computer version, right? So like address, it's just gonna be like Scalco. And then from there, what they're wanting right here, if you look at this, you do not see anything about the equipment that they've rented. So what they want to see is in this view to see what piece of equipment is being rented. So the rental items they want to see. Down here, this timeline, I messed it up. It used to show me a timeline of every rental by equipment. So it would show me like from the 29th to the 7th, Parco Fittings had the Genie, this lift, right? So getting a timeline back, but then more importantly, I want a view where I can see by equipment what, like a calendar by equipment of when it's available. Because what they're doing is people are calling in and wanting to rent equipment. And I want to be able to see what is available. So in my equipment, I have...
Maybe here you want to see in the Kanban board view or calendar view.
Yeah.
Perfect, I understand.
So every piece of equipment, so I have the name, the serial number, the year, this category. So the colors mean something. So currently what they are doing is they have a whiteboard where they're writing this all down. And they use a red for an excavator, purple for scissor lift, green marker for skidster. So on top of it, I really want to make it more color, like visual, so these colors actually mean something. Having a view where we can have skidster, dozer, backhoe, excavator at the top. When I click it, I can see like a timeline view of when this piece of equipment is booked out. Like this piece of equipment right here, this 303, 305.5, this one is rented multiple times already. And it's always just like a day or two. But so like having a view where I can see, oh, all my excavators and somebody needs an excavator next Tuesday, I can clearly see what is available next Tuesday.
Like you want to, in each task, you want to show a timeline and show their progress.
Yep.
Perfect.
And then the other things, I want one whole, so this is like what I call the hub, that I have my different pages. I want another one that is made, so what they want to do, they currently have a whiteboard. So that is the changes here. I want one more dashboard that they want to basically hook a computer up to a TV and have it in their shop always displaying, where they want to have like a on the top half they want to see all of the rentals, and then on the bottom half they want to see a next 7 days. So right now this is set up everything starting in the next 7 days. They want to see everything starting in the next 7 days and everything being returned. Because if you look at a rental, we have deliver to customer. So when it's a deliver to customer, they want to view on that TV so their pickup man can like know, oh, who do I have to like coordinate and go pick up the equipment from, right? So they want to be able to see in the next 7 days, where do they have to drop delivery stuff off, so rental out, and where do they have to pick up? So in one view, that's kind of, it will go on like a 65-inch TV. They want to see the in-progress rentals so they can know where their equipment is, and then they want to see what's happening in the next 7 days, what needs picked up type of deal.
Perfect. Yeah, I understand. Current section I have understand and I can do it. And next, in new Notion dashboard, you can send me outline like new dashboard name and outline with the database custom field, quick action button section, and you can send me all information about link database and main dashboard. So I will build your next new dashboard, and I am ready to take this and I can deliver both. Today I will set up this tree rental hub, and if you send me today next template outline, so within 2 days I will finish your whole project.
Okay.
Yes.
One thing to note, these rentals, so in this database, this is real live data. They're currently using it. So am I okay to give you the production workspace, or should I duplicate this and provide it to you? I mean, I would prefer that you just correct this or fix this one, but I just want to make sure that this took them quite a while to input, so I just don't want to make them redo it, you know?
Okay, it's depend you. If you invite me in your Notion workspace, that's okay. Otherwise, you send me this template link, and I will in my side adjustment, and I will enhance it. Then I will share with you template link. Then you can transfer it into your Notion account again.
Are you comfortable if I just let you edit this one directly? I just need to make sure that you won't delete these rentals.
No, I will not delete any data. You can invite me in your Notion workspace. I am using Notion last 4 years, and I have like work with 100 plus clients. So I know the value of data and privacy. Don't worry.
Okay. And
Yeah.
who do I invite?
Here I am send you my email so you can invite me.
Are you putting in the Teams
Yes.
meeting?
Yes, in Google Meet I am sending you.
Full access?
Yes.
Okay. And then in Fiverr, what do I need to do to get you your contract, or do I just need to accept this one?
Yeah, you send me invite, and I have sent you uh, offer on Fiverr, so you accept it, and I can start it.
Okay, I'll get this paid and just keep in touch. If you have any, I'll send you more details and kind of reiterate what we talked about. If you have any questions, please just reach out.
Yes, whenever I have any question in my mind, so definitely I will reach out to you.
Okay.